The signal reaches a nearby naval warship conducting exercises. They immediately dispatch a rescue team and manage to save the pilot in time. Upon learning that a full aircraft is trapped underwater, the ship's captain realizes that any mistake could damage the Navy's reputation. He throws the entire vessel's resources into the mission. After extensive effort and search, the rescue team locates the aircraft. What they see is nothing short of a miracle. People are still alive at such depths, but before they can breathe a sigh of relief, they face another danger. If the aircraft's structure is opened, the water would rush in and drown everyone. The situation is extremely delicate, but after careful deliberation, they come up with a bold plan.